In the earliest days, the divine and the mortal lived on earth in harmony. The god Ra, creator and ruler of all, reigned supreme. He spoke the world into being, and in his presence, chaos was held at bay. This was an age of closeness, of unity between the gods and humankind. Ra governed creation from the throne of divine kingship, ruling with justice and cosmic balance, Mahat. The gods assembled in his court, and humankind thrived under divine favor. But Ra grew old, and in his aging, some inhumanity forgot their place. Whispers rose among some of the mortals. They no longer feared the eye of Ra. They plotted rebellion against the very God who gave them life. Learning of this, the Creator turned to his gods, the oldest powers of the cosmos. And when all of the gods were assembled, Ra said to none who had bought the world beyond the primal chaos before time,
O eldest God in whom I came into being, and you ancestral gods, behold, mankind who came into being from my eye is plotting against me. Tell me what you would do about this, since I am searching. I seek not to slay them before having heard what you might have to say.
And the old one, none replied.
O my son Ra, the God mightier than the one who produced you, and greater than those who created you, stay put on your throne. The fear of you is great. Your eye shall proceed against those who conspire against you. Send out your eye, that it may smite them for you. Those who have conspired so wickedly, may it descend in the form of the goddess Hathor.
And so, Ra summoned the Eye, the blazing force of divine justice. She would take the form of a goddess. She would become Hathor, and then Sekhmet. Beautiful Hathor, goddess of love and joy, now became Sekhmet, lioness of vengeance. She roared across the land, her fury unmatched. Blood flowed, cities fell, humanity begged for mercy, but Sekhmet did not stop. The Eye of Ra had no pity. Then this goddess returned after she had slain many of mankind in the desert, and Ra said to her,
Welcome, Hathor. Have you accomplished that for which you set out?
To which the goddess replied,
As you live for me, I have overpowered mankind, and it was agreeable to my heart.
But Ra, seeing the destruction, began to regret his command. He did not wish to destroy all of those who paid homage to him, and so Ra said,
I shall gain power over them as king, hold off decimating them.
But Ra realized he would need something to still the raging power of his eye, being carried forth by Hathor as Sekhmet, and so he devised a plan. He ordered the priests to brew beer in great quantity, dye it red with ochre, and pour it upon the fields like blood. Sekhmet came, thirsting for more slaughter, and drank deeply. The goddess of war became intoxicated, and awoke as Hathor once more. The massacre ended. Though the rebellion was crushed, Ra the Creator hesitated still. Ra had witnessed rebellion. He had unleashed destruction, and in the blood of mankind he found sorrow, not triumph, but weariness, questions, and doubt. Yet Mayat, cosmic order and balance, had to be restored. Ra no longer wished to rule as a king among men. But this was no abdication into silence. It was transformation. Understanding Ra's intention, the Old One Nun said,
My daughter Nut, you shall place him upon your back.
And to accommodate him, Nut then became the cow of heaven. Ra then placed himself upon her back and proceeded to return to his palace for the night. When dawn arrived, men came to overthrow Ra's enemies, those who plotted against he who created them. Carrying weapons, they found a way of shooting at them. But weary of mankind, Ra said,
Your baseness be behind you, O slaughterers. May your slaughtering be far removed from me.
And with saying this, Ra, wishing to remove himself from mankind, said to Nut,
It is in order that I may be uplifted, that I have placed myself on your back. Lift me up, so I am visible. Look at me."
And so the goddess Nut then became the sky, and so the heavens were raised, and Ra's new realm came into being. Then Nut started trembling because of the height. To this, Ra brought into being two groups of gods, the infinite ones, to support Nut, and he also said,
"O my son Shu, place yourself under my granddaughter Nut. Watch over for me the two groups of infinite ones. Place her over your head and nurture her."
And finally, Ra called the earth god Geb, so that she should support them all. From his new station, Ra created more than sky and stars. He created a future for the souls of mankind. He formed the Duat, the hidden realm of the dead. Within it, the field of offerings and the field of reeds, a paradise where the righteous could live again. It was cosmic balance, a reordering of a new existence itself. And to govern the newly ordered world, Ra turned to Thoth, Lord of time, speech, and wisdom.
"Look, I am here in the sky in my abode. You are to be in my place, my vicar. Thus you shall be called Thoth, the vicar of Ra."
To Thoth, Ra gave him the moon, the measurement of years, the task of reckoning truth. To complete the order of eternity, Ra created two boats, one to carry him across the sky by day, the other to guide him and souls of the dead through the Duat by night. Day and night, life and death, light and shadow, all became part of the cycle he would now command from afar. Ra would not walk among men, but he would never leave them. He was forever reborn, to rise, set, and return, the eternal eye, the soul of divine justice. Egypt's myth of revolt and redemption is not alone. Across the world, stories echo with the voice of gods judging their creations, striking down the corrupt, reshaping the world, and deciding who, if any, may endure. In every age, we have asked, what happens when gods look upon mankind and despair? Do they erase what they have made, or shape it into something more enduring? The Book of the Heavenly Cow gives us no easy answers. Ra does not forgive in a human sense. He does not love as we understand love, but he leaves behind a path for those who honor truth, for those who walk with Mayat, a world reimagined, a sky lifted among stars, a sun that rises again, and a field of reeds where the righteous may live forever. Thank you for watching. More videos that unlock the secrets of ancient Egypt can be found at the Pharaoh Archives.